The city of Berlin, unification happened about 25 years ago, and the city was divided in two parts, in the eastern part and the western part. And we had to combine two cities and their infrastructures. From public transport to energy, everything had to be reunited. So our infrastructures are comparatively modern compared to many other cities in Europe. But apart from that, I think that the population of Berlin is very special in that they are extremely engaged and they take part in public debates and they have a very clear say in what's going on. So the whole mixture of a very open and engaged public plus modern infrastructures also in the field of, let's say, car sharing, public transport, etc., makes Berlin comparatively smart to other cities. The airport of Berlin will close in 2017, and it's an inner city area. It's 5 square kilometers or 500 hectares almost, just 15 minutes away from the German government, the most important industrial nation in Europe. So the space as such is incredible, and the city has decided to turn it into an urban technology, so a place for the development of the city of the future. And it's pretty unique in its whole layout and planning and everything. The one thing we can learn from it is that you have to engage early in the process. We started in 2008 with public participation. It was an open decision process. We asked the population, so what are we going to do with that very special area in the heart of Berlin? And the acceptance of the public of this project is enormous, so it's fantastic. That's the one point. What you're going to see after, let's say, 20 years is there will be roughly 1,000 companies stationed there on what currently is an airport. Will be turned into one of the most innovative places for business, for the creation of smart city solutions, for research. It will have a university cluster in the center. And then from idea creation to mass manufacturing, you can cover the whole value chain in this one very special place. There's a whole group of cities in Germany, and we are all collaborating and exchanging ideas on a regular basis. There are several networks, smart city networks, not only in Germany, but all over Europe actually. We are collaborating with other cities. The Smart City Call currently, Horizon 2020 by the European Union. For that, Berlin is cooperating with Bologna and Paris, for instance. So it's a pan-European movement, and a lot is going on currently, and very exciting stuff. Today, I was moderating the panel on smart cities actually during the Congress, and the input from the other participants was enormous. It was absolutely fantastic. So we learned a lot about the importance of the harmonization of data. The International Standards Organization, ISO, will play an important role in that. We need to make data across cities comparable. That's certainly one of the topics. Then the amount of data available to governments, city governments, is enormous, but they are almost flooded. They don't know how to deal with them. So the other point is to set standards. How do we make use of those data? We need a code of ethics, so how not to abuse these data. You shouldn't use sensor data to oppress your citizens or to abuse civil rights. And in the end, such a standard setting committee could, for instance, be ISO, it could be the United Nations. We don't know yet, but we need something to do about it.